y'all, welcome back to my channel. We're jumping right into this tutorial because I forgot to film an intro. But I'm using a neutral palette, eyeshadow palette, to start sketching out the natural lines in my face. Age makeup is really about highlighting and accentuating the natural lines already in your face. So throughout this video, you're going to see me making a lot of different funny faces, and I suggest you do the same when recreating this look because it will help you really identify and be able to trace out those lines that essentially will come out once you get old. So here I'm working on around the eyes. The eye area has a lot of fine lines, heavy lines. It's a lot of contouring and defining. So you'll see me playing in this area quite a bit throughout this look. Just want to make sure that I'm mapping it out well, and then we can go back in and make them darker as needed. Gotta get those crow's feet. I will say that the forehead area, there's a lot of lines, and this can go in many ways. So you will see that I will go in, I'll dab, and I'll blend with my finger, and then I'll go back in and I'll make some more faces. The biggest piece of advice that I could give anyone that's doing age makeup is, one, take your time, and two, make as many faces as you possibly can to really get all of those crevices mapped out. And here I'm just really just shaping my eye a little bit more. As you get older, things start to droop a little bit more and close off. So that's why I'm adding those brown shades in there, followed by contouring the nose. It's not really contouring, but your nose does tend to get longer and skinnier when you age. So just trying to bring that forward a little bit more to show that length of the nose with this. So now I'm gonna go in with a actual like brown eyeliner, lip liner, and I'm just making the lines around my lips, which I was totally off camera, sorry, but you'll see it in a little bit. So between the eyeliner pencil and then the small brush with a little bit of eyeshadow, again, I'm just really going back in and deepening those lines that I already mapped out. I feel with this look, it's a fairly easy look to do. It just takes a lot of like touch and go. So mapping things out and then deepening it and then lightening it and then blending it and going back over it and working in layers, if you will. Because I started off with a light eyeshadow and pencil brush, and then we worked our way up to the eyeliner and going over it again and just really outlining and blending, outlining and blending, outlining and blending. I wasn't kidding when I told you guys I was gonna be making weird faces. Like, you have to understand, when I was looking at this footage, I was like, oh my gosh, like weird, but you gotta do what you gotta do. All right, next we're gonna go in and contour with just a contour palette. I am deepening my face so that, you know, it looks like my face is a little more sunken in, if you will, as that does come with age. And here I'm just taking that eyeliner pencil again, and I'm just making like very faint random marks on my skin, and it just gives the effect of like worn and aged skin. Not necessarily wrinkles, but they're more just worn. And I'm going to take this white milk pencil, and I'm going to just put it in my brows to give the effect of gray hair in my brows. And I'm using the NYX milk pencil. I'm going to add some of my eyelashes to make it a little more authentic. And then at this point, I felt like I needed to deepen the line around my lips a little bit more. So again, I'm going back in with an eyeliner pencil. This one's a little bit more darker than the one I was going in with before, and making a line and blending out with my finger. And then moving on to my neck. We want to make sure that we have a cohesive elderly person look. So when you get older, your neck does wrinkle. So again, using the technique of making faces to really find where those lines and spaces are in between your bones and muscles to really give that elderly effect. Here's the completed look. I'm older, and I'm definitely gonna be one of those badass grannies that will have her nose ring in still, so don't question it. It's happening. I thought it through already. Okay. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please hit the subscribe button. If there are other looks that you'd like to see, I'd love some recommendations. Let me know in the comments. Check me out on Instagram for more looks at SFXLou. See you later.